I am Shailja Sharma from Abroad Gateway. In this video lesson, you would learn the initial information about Task 1 of Academic. I will cover 5 points: time, words, structure, types of graph and marking criteria. First is time. For Task 1, you should utilize only 20 minutes out of 1 hour given for the writing task. Words. Minimum 150 words you need to write. If you write less than 150, means 149 or less than that, examiner would deduct half pad. Next is structure. Structure is very important because without following a correct structure, scoring high would be tough for you. Structure of writing task 1 is like that: introduction, overview, detailed paragraph, that is body paragraph. Introduction. In introduction, you need to paraphrase the question and need to write the information mentioned in the graph. Next is overview. It consists of only 2 sentences, usually the main 2 general things about the graph. In overview, you need to write only striking points. You cannot write any data, means you should not add any numbers, details in the overview. Detailed paragraph is known as body paragraph. Only in body paragraph, you need to organize the information in effective manner. You can add numbers also. Same with the detail too. You need to organize rest of the information in effective manner. So in body paragraphs, you can write numbers, you can mention the data. After this, main point is to understand about the types of graph you can get in exam. Types of graph are line graph, consist numbers only to describe where you need to compare changes, trends. This is the image of the line graph. Next is bar graph. It consists numbers only to describe, compare, changes, trends. Here is bar graph. Next is pie chart. It consists number only to describe, compare, changes, trend. This is a pie chart. Table consists number only to describe, compare, changes, trends. This is table, you can have a look. Next category is diagram. In diagram, you need to compare form of maps, describe and compare without numbers. You cannot add any number in diagram. Last but not least is process. Process chart are of 2 types, cyclical and linear. Cyclical process is in the form of circle, whereas linear is in different and it looks like this. Next point is marking criteria. As with all parts of the IELTS exam, task 1 marked according to 4 criteria. These are task achievement, that should be appropriate, response should be according to the task, coherence and cohesion, the ability to present a well-structured essay, lexical resource, that is vocabulary, the ability to use a range of appropriate and use it correctly. So vocabulary would be different in task 1 and task 2. Next is grammatical range and accuracy. The ability to use grammar correctly and to use a range of grammar forms. Each carries 25% of the marks. At last, I would like to brief you that getting initial information about task 1 academic is really crucial because through this you would understand the basics of task 1. In the next video, I will cover how to write task 1 academic. Thank you.